Hey guys, welcome back to another excellent video today. I decided to stop by the Restore in Chantilly again. This time I got a 400 watt ET18, which is actually a rare shape here. 400 watt metal halide. It's probe start, of course, just like the BT37. And there, just like BT37 all the way back there. And also got this unopened, new old stock Regent 300 watt halogen floodlight, which I might convert to something smaller, maybe. But yeah, let's unbox the halogen. Alright, let's start unboxing this thing. Of course, down in here, we have our floodlight. Let's pull it out of the box. And look at this beauty. Caution, do not touch quartz halogen bulb with bare hands. Oil on your skin can cause premature failure. Yes, that's right. Halogen bulbs get so hot so quickly that it'll stress the walls of the... And this also goes for metal halide, but of course metal halides are all enclosed in the bulb. So, yeah, simple, don't touch them. And might want to get hopefully I have a screwdriver right here. Got some other stuff in here, of course. Even some packaging, which is quite nice. And this is actually from 1997, as it says on the box. Yeah, see, 1997, Regent. It's quite nice. This is the entire little thing here. Yes, here's the instructions here with, and yes, this is 300 watts. Technically could use it as a heater, probably a very efficient heater too. Ooh, it's actually a book. Interesting. Definitely want to keep the original packaging. But yes, that's the original packaging for this. Now, let's open it up. Halogen bulb that comes in it. Definitely don't want to try touching this. Let's get the other end open. Ooh. I probably need to push it out the other side. Probably. Look at this beauty. Definitely cannot touch that at all costs. Dang, that thing is crazy. Look at all that. R7. Right, after much trying, wait for me that this doesn't short out, we can turn it on. Jeez, that thing is very bright. Sheesh. Sheesh, that is extremely bright. Holy crap. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. And please subscribe if you want to see more content like this.